Tesla just unveiled the new family van. It can carry up to 10 people. I want you to watch this video. This guy is a genius. Elon Musk is a genius. He has SpaceX, he has Starlink. Yeah. Oh my God. This guy is a genius. He has the boring tunnel. He has the... Oh my God. Just watch this video. Just watch this video. See what innovation looks like. This is what innovation looks like. This is what being a genius looks like. Wow. Just watch this. Just watch. Man, this guy is so... This is a genius. This is a genius in our time. We are just witnessing a genius in our lifetime. And I'm glad to be alive, to be able to witness all these things happening. And I thank you for the internet. Thank you for the internet that I get to experience this in real time. Thank you, Elon. Thank you, Elon Musk. Thank you, Elon Musk.